are my relatives from Guam. Thank you for taking good care of us whenever we are here at Guam. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Ayun na, ako na. Okay, I'd like to thank our presenters, PSST Pinoy Super Showcase TV, Buddy, powered by iConnect. Alright. Mariana's Cable Vision, Coast 360, and of course, the #1 channel in the world, TFC! Thank you to Filipino channel, of course, our producer, Metro Productions, Mr. Lloyd Baker. Let's give him a hand. Thank you, sir, for always believing in us and for always bringing us back here in Guam. And Chris Reyes and Mr. Jerome Sisson. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, Jello. Alright, I want to thank our gold sponsors, Calvo Tenorio. Maraming salamat. Sheraton Laguna Resort. Mariana's Variety. Megamix 101.9. Thank you very much. Ito. Calvo Tenorio. Bakit?
Panat ka kasi.
Alright, si Bea JL Baker & Sons and Forex Cargo. Wow, maraming salamat.
Salamat sa Video Sonic, Jam Media, kay Mr. Steve Guerrero, Tony Ada. Huwag na mag-aamong ka!
Ayusin mo yung Bea, yung pag... Hey, thank you. Jam!
Yes, silver sponsors, Laguna Best Restaurant, John B. Smart, Hi-Fi Logo, Jamaican Crescent, okay, Great National Insurance, Ayala Land, Traveling Bar, at kay Tita Lori, maraming salamat. At kay Ate Popo. Ate Robert, narinig mo yun, Ate Popo. Tuwing niya sa'yo, Ate. Ate.
Okay lang ba siya? Bakit pag-chat kayo?
Sabi mo, pasok!
Bakit sabi ka sabihin mo ba sa? Manaratirit.
Mananarito!
Anyways,
Anyways, ang team na lahat ng mga nandito pala, maraming salamat.
Happy Halloween po! Happy Halloween po sa inyo